How to create a YouTube channel trailer? A YouTube channel trailer is a short video that introduces viewers to your channel and encourages them to subscribe. Here's how to create one. Start by deciding on the main message or theme of your trailer. This will help guide the content and tone of your video. Plan out the structure of your trailer. It should be short, 30 seconds to a minute is a good length, and include an introduction, an overview of your channel's content, and a call to action, for example, subscribe to our channel to see more. Gather any assets you'll need for your trailer, such as graphics, images, or video clips. You can use free resources or create your own. Use a video editing tool to put your trailer together. There are many options available, both free and paid. Some popular choices include iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro. Edit your video to include your introduction, content overview, and call to action. Be sure to use transitions to make the video flow smoothly and add any additional elements, such as music or sound effects, to make it more engaging. Preview your trailer to make sure everything looks and sounds good, and make any necessary adjustments. When you're happy with your trailer, upload it to YouTube and set it as your channel trailer. You can do this by going to your channel's customization tab and selecting channel trailer under featured video. Remember to keep your trailer concise and to the point, and use it as an opportunity to showcase the unique value and personality of your channel.